ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma ha ke jingyalang play yo mau nongrim bentaya ke Madan artificial turf Riangdo ulapin bena baka sorkar kelamang pisah haduk kendai Klur tam nak benta benchnapen bahaya ke Madan Riangdo bade ke jing tray on Pyndep Hapoh ki khat para Bnai. Ukonrad ulo ongru balasan pu artli ki snam gilayat hendre ke ni ke Madan Riangdo kasa kumju klem don gila jingarap benchnapen bha hendre Hapoh shi snam jaga jinglong MLA uba Methodist dakhar bad Hapoh shi snam jaga jinglong menteri uba Klur wajri lalaban mang pisah na kebenta banshna bahaya ke ni ke Madan haduk kendai Klur tam kabalong shisha ke jingker khu ya ki pat ba ka than ki bledan lang ha ke te ke jingalang bu mau nongrim kabalong Hapoh ke Madan Riangdo ki kin thup yu menteri ke transport suba Klur wajri u MLA ke than ba Methodist dakhar u MLA ke rambrai ba RG Momin ki officer sarkar ki nang yalam shnong bat ki we ki bala shakhat ngau ba
ngangai bagani kasni ke bakrau ya kadong ya kathan borok kawai bat kasni ke bangila ap kami nanti mentala de po snam nadu bangiyo ya kani kecela bat menta kasni ke bangi angnun bangin ui bangin penkaladur ya kani ke Madan ke bangila juya kren nakapor ki function ki baper bangi kwa banyu ya ke jingkaladur jong kani ke Madan menta kasni kala urlang Banangit kini kadai kacing kerku ya para kinong sinong jong ka motion road constituency hi para kawai bat omtang jong ka motion road constituency handai jong ka west kasi hill si bara kawai bat kini kajia bat kini ku urlang kadai na kacing shashkar bat kacing solam jong chief minister bat sport minister ya kacing kerpan bat ya kacing ut kacing nam kajonga kumu MLA ujong pi bat kajing ut kajing nam kajong pi kipat ba no motion run
lara pi pen agini gisngi ki blalet kini gitayo ki blalet labon tili ki jaka ya ka bangi layo ya ka bangin let bangin bu mau nong rem na ka benta bangin ai ya kini artificial turf la di stadium balada piken mau ha kasngi ka ba kasin ka baningkong ya ka bangidon ya ka dorbar hang te po assembly Chief Minister jungi ula kerennya kini kegentin berulang bah ke sports ngikwa bangin ai haman ke district ngikwa bangin ai haman ke blok iki artificial turf ngikwa bangin kentiu ke sports hang ni Hapoh ke jela ke jungi ngadap da ke jingkemen ka bangan ong yepi bakata ke jingkren na ka budget speech kamsim lakut tengah ke jingkren Hapoh assembly hendring ilalaru bangin penurlong hakini ke sisnem Hon, kamdi ke besuk ingi ya ka bangin ongin la bangin ailut Hapoh sisnem. Henry kembangin labu ya ketong bahagini san snem. Bangin la bangin ai haman ke distrik ya ki artificial turf. Ngin la ban ai ya ki infrastructure la ni ki jingdon kam ki baper nak ke benta ya ban kentiu ya ki khun samla jong ke jela ke jungi. Nga daladi kum menteri beri benpet ya ke transport ngalalik keling saudong ke jela. Berhabangan len ngai i sisa bakat nu ki khun samla jongi kidon sisa ka takasap bakapong kum ka sarkar ngidon ye ka jingkit kle habang i bagidon ye ka takasap kadir ka kamram ka jongi bangin kentiu ye ki ngilazang bun tili ki program la da pipen ki program ye ka bangila tes ye ki khat sawajar tam ki khun samla Bana kita ki khat sawajar tam kidan ki bela asya ajit bengi ai ke special program ka bengi train ki bakin longru kita ki Klur lakai bakin pau omtang ha ka jela ka jungi hendrai hadu ka national level had bat ke international level ru ngi i kanu ka jing la jung ki khun samla ki jungi ngi i bakat nu ka jing thrang ka jung ki ya ka baki kwa bakin ki ka sports pipet keling saudong kan ka jela ka jungi ki babon ki khun samla kila im jakpo na sports ngiru ngidon ni ka jingkit kle bandang kentiu susu yaki balai bangi ai kini ki stadium ki baper ngi ai ki jingdon kam ki baper kani kam dei kajing ai ya kaba ngisngok kemen mangi kumki emali la ni minister hande kadik kajing ai na kabantaban kentiu ki khon samla jongpi ki khon ki ti ki jongpi baling ba kani ke stadium ka bangi ai ni kermen mangin I ko wikas ni balik si ukun samla na kani ka sinong Riangdo lingba kani ka stadium unsulong si siya to Klur Klur ilakai ubalakpaw sa dos ka national level ro.
I was just speaking to your local MLA and he was telling me that even as a young boy he remembers playing here in this field. And many other youths and many other people who have now grown up and are in different walks of life have played in this particular field. But for 52 years, there was no investment or no work that was done to improve the infrastructure of this particular ground. But it is very heartening to see that within 1 year of becoming your MLA, within 1 year of Klur becoming the sports minister, close to about 9 plus, that means almost 10 crores is being sanctioned to improve this particular field. And this is a great blessing for the people of this area. I was speaking to the Honorable Minister and he has given me an assurance that within the next 18 months, before 2025, September 2025, before it, we will be back here to inaugurate this particular stadium and this particular field. The work will be completed in 18 months, less than 18 months. And friends, like this stadium and this ground that we are improving, we are doing this across the state. You will be surprised to know that this government has made more stadiums and more infrastructures for sports in the last 5 to 6 years than what was made in the last 45 years put together. And this is a reflection of the commitment that we have to the youth of our state, the commitment that we have towards the sports, commitment that we have to ensure that we are able to provide the opportunity for our youngsters so that they can follow their passion, so that they can excel in the sports that they like, so that they can make themselves, their families, and our state proud.